hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be talking about my 5-ish makeup confessions. And if you're interested, just keep on watching. You guys are having a fantastic 3-day weekend. So let's start with number 1. My first makeup confession is that I don't like washing my makeup brushes often. And that's just my problem because I'm lazy. And I honestly wish that I could pay someone to wash them for me because I'm just like I do my makeup every day of the week. So probably the only day that I don't wear makeup is on Saturday and Sunday, or maybe just Sundays probably. But so that means my brushes get dirty a lot and often. So yeah, my first makeup confession is that I don't like washing my brushes often, and I know that's not sanitary. My second makeup confession is that when I do my eyeliner, I do like to tug on my skin just because I've just gotten used to that. That's how I learned how to do my eyeliner, and that's just the way that I do it. I've tried to do it, you know, the regular way, that if you pull it causes wrinkles, but I still do it. That's just the way that I'm used to doing my eyeliner, and so I'm a tugger. And I've tried to do it the regular way, but it always comes out wrong. So my third makeup confession is skincare routine, and I'm just gonna tell you guys what my skincare routine is. It consists of 5 products: Neutrogena wipes to remove my makeup after a long day, my soap, usually Dove, LA Girl lip scrub, which I just found out that I don't think you're supposed to do that every day, but yeah, I use it often. My e.l.f. night cream, as well as my LA Colors lip oil in the scent vanilla. That is my skincare routine. I'm just lazy. I know nothing about skincare, and honestly when people post those kind of videos about skincare, I just skip it because I don't know, I'm just not educated on it, and it just bores me and I don't get it. But it is a big thing right now. A lot of brands are coming out with skincare products. You guys know that's my lazy girl skincare routine. I was gonna make a full video on it, but honestly with the products that I just told you on it would have been a super short video. So there you go, that's my skincare routine. Number 4 is that I haven't purchased makeup in about 2 months, except I did just purchase an eyeliner from LA Colors, and that's just because I haven't purchased any eyeliners, and the ones that I use, I need to switch things up a bit. So I've been on a low buy just because I noticed that I was just buying too much, things that I didn't need, and so I kind of stopped, and now I just want to purchase things that I need a restock on, or you know, just to switch things up a bit. But I'm no longer just purchasing makeup just because. Confession number 5 is that I always have to match my makeup to my outfit and my jewelry to my highlight, and I did mention this in my makeup schedule, or how I use my 50 palettes equally, a video which I just filmed last week, and it'll be down below. But yeah, so I did mention this, and it's just something that I have to do, or I feel weird. And yeah, that's my 5th confession. Confession number 6 is that I don't like doing my brows, and so it used to be in the beginning of my routine, and I have switched it to, no, it used to be in the end of my routine, and then now I switch it to the beginning of my routine, just because I don't like it, and just the thought of it makes me feel lazy, and I wish I could skip it, but then my makeup will look weird. So yeah, doing my eyebrows is just like, especially when I haven't gone to, you know, get them done in a while, not my favorite. So I switched it to the beginning just so I could get it over with. I made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you. Links to items that I mentioned will be listed down below. I think it was just the skincare stuff, but if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, I'll have my Insta handle right here. I am hosting a liquid lipstick lottery at the moment, so I will be posting swatches and pictures of my liquid lipsticks that I chose for the week, as well as mini reviews on them. And let me know if you have any makeup confessions down below. I would love to hear them, and if you want to recreate this video, you could go ahead. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so this video was so short that I have decided to share my makeup of the week, and it's not like the liquid lipsticks of the week. This is more like products that I choose on Sundays, and I use those throughout the whole week. and you know what, I'll just share with you guys in next week's video what I think of them. And you know, honestly, a lot of these I don't really like this one. I'll share that with you right now. But yeah, let's just do this because this video was so short, so I'll just add what I chose for the whole week. And number 1 on the list is the Stay Matte Foundation, which is this one right here. This one's in the shade True Nude, and this one, I mean, I used to love it. The only thing with it is that when I do use it with like a mattifying primer or like a matte powder, it's just too matte where it starts to peel, and if you touch your face it does like rub off, and you could see it just looks weird at the end of the day. But this is the one that was chosen, so this is the one I'm gonna be trying to use up throughout the week. I only have 3 foundations as I mentioned before, but yeah, so hopefully I can make this one work. I am using a couple different primers this week, and so yeah, this is the foundation of the week. Number 2 is the LA Colors Stick Concealer, which is this one right here. This one I used in one of my last week's videos, and this one I used to love using it. The only thing is, I mean, it is a stick concealer, so I don't really reach for it. I really love using my L'Oreal one, and yeah, but I mean, it's okay, it's not horrible, not the best coverage, but it's okay. Next thing we're going to talk about is the Wet n Wild primer stick, which is, this one's actually new to my collection. I just my boyfriend bought it for me a couple days ago, and it's a stick primer. I really hope it works because I'm gonna be using it the whole week, and I'll let you guys know in next week's video how it goes. Next thing is the Beauty Blender. This is the black one. I haven't used it in years. I've just found better sponges, but I'll be excited. I'm excited to use it again, and I'll let you guys know what I think. I honestly, I don't know, I haven't been reaching for it. Hopefully it's as good as I remember, but this is a sponge I'm gonna be using throughout the whole week. Next, this one was one that I was excited for. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and this is one of my favorites, so I'm so happy that it got picked for this week's makeup that I'm gonna use. And yeah, this is one of my favorites. Is this contour kit by BC Concepts, and this is one that came in a set of 4 from the Dollar General, and it comes with this cute little picture on the inside. They look like little notebooks, and this is what I'm gonna be using throughout the week. It comes with like a light shade, a light medium shade, dark medium, deep, Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Also not one of my favorites, just because I noticed it doesn't keep me matte throughout the day. As you can see, I've had this one for a long time. I did used to use it all the time, but I'm more into loose powders now. But I am excited that it got picked just so I can kind of use it up. Next thing is this Becca Split Pan. This is one that I purchased years ago. It does come with champagne pop and this pink blush. I'm not going to be using the blush just because it is too deep for me, but I will be trying to use up the champagne pop side just because I've had it for a long time and I actually don't reach for it anymore all that much, but I am excited to rediscover how beautiful it is. One that I'm not excited for is this CoverGirl like powder brow thing, and I believe this one's in brown or something, or deep brown, and this is just one that I'm not excited for. I used it once and I did post on my Instagram, but no, I just don't like it, and it's like a weird powder thing, but I hope I can make it work throughout the week. I'm gonna use it along, I'm gonna outline my brows with this e.l.f. brow pencil and spoolie it out, and hopefully it looks good, and just fill in my brows with this, but I don't have high hopes for this. I'll let you guys know next week how I like it. Next thing is this Amuse 14K Gold Foundation Primer. This is one that I don't like just because I've used it a few times, as you can see, and it honestly breaks up my foundation really bad. By the end of the day, it looks horrible. But I am going to pair this with the Wet n Wild Stick Primer, and hopefully it works out and I can make it work, or at least use it up. But yeah, this is not one of my favorites. Last thing on the list is this Santee Brown Liner. It is like a metallic liner, and as you can see, this is the shade that it is. And this is one that I wasn't too excited about, but it's okay because I can make it work. and it is really nice. The one time that I used it, I really liked it. And that is all for the makeup of the week. These are all the products I'm gonna be using that I can't really switch out. The only things that I would be able to switch out are the liquid lipstick because of the liquid lipstick lottery. My setting spray, I only have 2 of them, so it doesn't really matter. The blush, just because it depends on what palette I'm going for and what color I'm going for. And then finally I have my freedom of my eyeshadow, so I get to choose whatever eyeshadow palette I want to pair with the liquid lipstick. And this week, for tomorrow, I chose the I'm the One palette from the 99 that I was talking about in my makeup collection. This one's really beautiful and it will go well with my Lydia liquid lipstick that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. If you guys enjoyed, I'll see you in my next video.
Forget the day we met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the